See? We are fine. I can live without you all guys. Because Langga Singko, the king of Kukak, always give me a blessing. Langga, thank you so much. Ang alaga ko lang yan. Nagmana talaga to sa akin, alaga ko. Uy, yung ano ba to sa pagkainit ha? Tinitiis ko to sa pagkainit. Patapusin ko lang isang oras lang iya talaga kayo. Ang sakit ng pangako. Selena, I know you. No double cara. You're also King Salud. Yes. Yeah. But don't mind Selena there. I don't care you, Selena. I don't care about you, Selena. I just care about my Langga. You will be jealous, Selena. See? I receive a lot of blessing from King Kukak. Langga. Wait lang. Gusto nyo talaga tumawa kayo? Gusto nyo tumawa? Oh my God, Madam Rosie Pukong Team Baby Support. Selena, I know you, na doble cara. You are also King Salud. Oh my God. Why he pretend just like that? Ang ingay naman tong alaga. Nagmana talaga sa atin. Lukrat talaga to. Nagmana yung alaga ko sa akin. Oh, saan kayo dyan? Oh, madaldal din to alaga ko, akala nyo? Saan nagmana? Sigsiyaya. Yes. I look like a blessing. My face is thick, Langga. So thick, Will. See? And also I have mass, so become more thick. Ang kapal ng mukha ko. Ikaw lang nakinabang sa blessings ko, Langga. It's okay, Langga. I'm your Langga, I'm so mean. I have to keep all your blessings. Thank you so much, everyone, who stay with me as a Marites. To be a loyal. I really appreciate you all, guys. Just stay loyal, guys. You will receive a blessings from my king, Kukak 5-1. Oh, maybe Selena's gone. And then she will make a Marites also. Langga! Ano ba yan, Langga? It's 11:18 na, napapawisan na ako dito. Walang iya kayo. Sinakripisyo kong init. Habang ako'y nagla-live. Okay. Tama ba? JCTV, but why you don't have thank you so much, everyone, who stay with me as a Marites. To be a loyal. I really appreciate you all, guys. Just stay loyal, guys. You will receive a blessings from my king, Kukak 5-1. They like me? They like me? King Kukak. Kanina ko pa sana pala in highlights, no? Yeah, yes, that's it. This is me now. Sorry because I'm wearing mask because I'm coughing. I don't want to see my beauty. You know that? You can see my eyes. I look beautiful. Mamaya sagutin ako ng alaga ko to. Pag lagot ako.